everyone, my name's Sophia, and for those of you who don't know me, I am a nursing student. In today's video, I wanted to do like a productive day in my life video. I have been working full-time with an externship that I got this summer. I work about 2 days on and 2 days off. The day before I have to go back to work, I try to clean up and do some meal prep for the next 2 or 3 days and just make myself feel a lot more organized and ready to work for the next few days. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so I am starting off my meal prep by prepping my smoothies. I usually have a smoothie every morning. It's just a great way to start off the day with some fresh fruit, and then I'm just putting my yogurt into different cups, so it's easy to just throw in my smoothie in the morning. So now I'm just getting ready my salad for my lunch, and then I'm adding some cucumbers and bell peppers that I had already chopped up beforehand, and then throwing in some tomatoes that we grow in our garden. I actually ended up making some tomato basil soup with the fresh tomatoes that we grow in our garden. Then I'm just adding some fruit into different containers. I usually take fruit as a snack at work. So then I added some grapes, and I added some blueberries and some cherries to my containers. So this was the finished meal prep. There I got out the tomato basil soup that I made beforehand into some containers, as well as my salad and smoothies and fruit. So now I had to do a ton of dishes from meal prep, but it is all going to be worth it when I don't have to make my meals every day before work or every night before work. So then I moved on to cleaning my room. I started off by making my bed. I always love to start off cleaning my room by making my bed. It instantly helps my room to look a lot cleaner, and it really just puts your mind at ease when you have a nice, clean made bed. So this was the finished made bed. So next I started to dust. I started off by dusting my desk, and then I just dusted the rest of my furniture. So then I vacuumed my room. I think vacuuming your room is probably the greatest thing you can do so that your room looks a lot cleaner. Then I moved on to cleaning my bathroom. I was just wiping down my countertops, and I love this spray by Love Home and Planet. They make really wonderful products and they all smell amazing. And then this was the finished clean counter, and I just lit a candle for nice ambiance. So then I moved on to doing my laundry. I had to wash all of my scrubs. After I got my clothes out of the dryer, I just decided to fold them and lay them out for the next 2 days. It's so much easier just laying out your clothes so you don't have to do it in the morning. So this is just a tour of my completed cleaned room. It felt so good to have a clean room and to have meal prepped. I now feel like I can get through these next 2 12-hour shifts that I have to work. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and that it inspired you to just clean and do some meal prep and to get motivated. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.